With over a decade in business, a 4.8-star Trustpilot rating, more than 30,000 verified payouts, and scaling potential up to $4 million, The5ers does look impressive at first glance. But the real question is, does it actually measure up? Hi, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com. Over the past year alone, we've reviewed more than 40 of the industry's leading prop firms. This gives us a clear sense of what sets a great firm apart and what should raise red flags. In this review, we're breaking down the key questions that every trader should ask before joining a prop firm. Can you really trust the The5ers, and do they actually pay their traders? Are the challenges fair and trader friendly or full of hidden pitfalls? Is the pricing competitive, or are you overpaying for the funding you get? Will their rules and trading conditions get in the way of your strategy? By the end of this video, you'll know whether the The5ers is truly a good choice for your trading. Let's get started. When it comes to prop firms, trust should be the #1 factor. So how reliable is the The5ers? First, the firm has more than 70 employees and a solid operating history of over 10 years. This is a great sign of long-term stability. Better yet, the The5ers boast an exceptional 4.8 out of 5 Trustpilot rating from more than 20,000 reviews, and over 90% of those are 5 stars. Clearly, they must be doing something right. We also found their trading rules to be very transparent. Profit targets and drawdown limits are clearly defined. The same goes for their guidelines on news trading and using automated strategies. For example, the The5ers does not allow bracketing with simultaneous buy and stop orders around news. High-frequency trading with trades that last only a few seconds is also prohibited. Scalping during rollover isn't allowed either, and the same goes for coordinated trading across multiple accounts. These are important details to know before you start trading. The The5ers lays them out clearly, so we rated them highly for transparency. Most importantly of all, independent data from Payout Junction shows the The5ers has processed over $65 million in payouts across more than 30,000 verified withdrawals. Just note that these numbers only cover payments made through RiseWorks. So in reality, that's not the full picture. A lot of payouts are made through other payment methods. Even so, according to Payout Junction's analytics, the The5ers rank among the top 5 prop firms of all time based on total payout volume. The The5ers also has a strong online presence. They have around 110,000 Instagram followers and 100,000 YouTube subscribers. That's a large and active community, which adds another layer of credibility. All in all, the The5ers comes across as reliable, transparent, and pretty solid overall. So for trust, they earn a full 5 out of 5 from us. Now let's move on to the challenges. Here's a quick breakdown of each option and who it's best suited for. The The5ers has 3 main challenge types. Hypergrowth. This is a one-step challenge with a 50 to 100% profit share. There are no minimum profitable days, and the profit target is 10%, and the maximum drawdown is 6%. High stakes. A 2-step challenge with a 80 to 100% profit share. It requires 3 minimum profitable days, and the maximum drawdown is 10% on each step. And Bootcamp, a 3-step challenge with a 50 to 100% profit share. There are no minimum profitable days, the profit target is 6%, and the maximum drawdown is 5% for each of the 3 phases. Account sizes range from 2.5k to 250k, with the potential to scale up to $4 million. That is quite generous compared to many prop firms. What really stands out is the flexibility. All challenge types come with high leverage of up to 1 to 100, no consistency rules, and support for most trading strategies. Expert advisors are allowed, which is great for automated traders. Copy trading is supported, and weekend holding is allowed too, ideal for swing traders. With the exception of the high stakes challenge, news trading is also permitted. Their risk parameters also hold up well. The profit to drawdown ratios are in line with the industry standards. There are, however, a few drawbacks. News trading is restricted 2 minutes before and after high impact news in the high stakes program. High stakes also requires 3 minimum profitable days. The Bootcamp challenge requires a mandatory stop loss on every trade, and there is no instant funding option. Overall, the The5ers offers a well-rounded set of challenges that work for most trading styles. Profit splits go up to 100%, and profit targets and drawdown levels are reasonable. We rated their challenge offerings 4.7 out of 5. Now let's talk about pricing. Is the The5ers actually good value for money? Prop firm challenge prices can be a bit deceiving. The advertised account size isn't the amount you actually get to trade with. What really matters is the drawdown, since that determines your actual usable capital. To compare firms fairly, we've come up with a metric called true capital per dollar. This shows how much real trading power you get for every $1 you pay in challenge fees. Here's the formula. True capital per dollar equals account size times max drawdown divided by challenge fee. So why does this matter? Basically, a challenge that costs more upfront can still offer better value if its usable capital is higher. For example, let's say one firm offers $100,000 account with a 10% drawdown for a $500 fee. That gives you $10,000 in usable capital. So your true capital per dollar is 10,000 divided by 500, and that's 20. Another firm also offers a $100K account, but with a 6% drawdown and a $350 fee. That's $6,000 in usable capital, giving you a true capital per dollar of $17. How does the 5ers stack up? When comparing the 5ers to other firms, their entry pricing is fairly accessible. You can start for as little as $22 for a 2.5K two-step account. Cost efficiency does vary across different programs. The standout option is the Bootcamp. 3-step challenge, and you get around $400 of funding per dollar, which is way above the benchmark. Plus, it's like a pay-if-you-pass challenge. You only pay a small upfront fee to attempt the challenge and then pay the remaining amount if you actually pass it. Almost unheard of in the industry. The high-stakes 2-step challenge offers decent value too. It's slightly under the benchmark, but still competitive. The weakest value is the hypergrowth 1-step challenge, though its funding per dollar is much lower, almost 4 times below the industry average, but it's probably to make up for their generous scaling plan in this program. For every 10% profit you make, your account size doubles, no questions asked. So over time, it turns out in your favor. All in all, the 5ers ranks about average in terms of cost efficiency compared to the broader industry. They also offer a 14-day risk-free money-back guarantee before trading begins. Once you start trading, the only refundable fee is the high-stakes 2-step program at the funded stage. So, for pricing, the 5ers earns a 4.5 out of 5 from us. Let's take a close look at the trading conditions and see if they line up with your style. The 5ers offers 2 pricing models. You can trade raw spread accounts with a commission on Forex and gold, or choose spread-only accounts with 0 commission on indices, commodities, and cryptos. Spreads on some instruments are among the best we've seen. For example, spreads on Euro US dollar, US 30, and Bitcoin were below the industry average. Oil was the exception, coming in almost twice as high as the benchmark. The 5ers charge a $4 commission per round lot on Forex and gold trades, which is in line with industry standards. All other assets, indices, cryptos, and commodities have no commission, which is great if you trade a mix of markets. One limitation is instrument selection. The firm offers around 40 instruments, which may feel restrictive to some traders. Even so, it still covers the most popular and high-volume markets. When it comes to platforms, you have 2 choices. MetaTrader 5, ideal for most traders, especially those using indicators or EAs. And cTrader, great for day traders and short-term scalpers thanks to its fast execution and clean layout. Leverage varies by asset from 1 to 0.5 up to 1 to 100. Generally, you'll see the highest leverage on Forex pairs and the lowest on commodities and crypto. Now, if you're aiming to scale your account, here's how it works. Hypergrowth doubles your account every time you hit a 10% profit milestone, with potential scaling up to $4 million. Bootcamp scales the account with every 5% profit increase, also up to $4 million. High stakes increases the account with each 10% profit milestone, but with a maximum balance of 500K. There is an Islamic swap free option available, but no demo accounts. Also, keep in mind, if there are no new trades or activity for 30 days, the account will be closed. Some trading styles are prohibited. These include hedging, EAs that scalp over the rollover, one-sided bets, high-frequency trading, anything less than 2-second trade duration, bracketing strategies, and bulk trading. Overall, the 5ers offers some of the best trading conditions in the industry, with competitive spreads, low slippage, solid platform choices, high leverage, swap-free accounts, and a decent scaling structure. We rated their trading conditions 4.8 out of 5. Finally, payouts. How quickly can you actually get your profits? The 5ers starts with a 50% profit split on the Bootcamp and Hypergrowth challenges. And for Hypergrowth, it increases to 75% immediately after you pass the evaluation. Also, both can be scaled up to 100% over time. The high stakes challenge begins at 80% and can also increase to 100%. As for real world results, as I mentioned earlier, Payout Junction shows the 5ers has a very high payout volume compared to most firms. Payouts are made bi-weekly, and they're usually processed within 1 to 3 business days. The minimum withdrawal amount is $150 after the profit split. Fees are 2% for RiseWorks and crypto, 3% for bank transfers, and no fee when converting the payout to hub credits. Overall, the 5ers have built a strong reputation for reliable payouts and clear conditions, so we rated their payout system 4.8 out of 5. Before we share our final thoughts on the 5ers, here's why our opinion matters. Our team is made up of experienced prop traders and market analysts who have spent years in the industry. In the past year alone, we've reviewed more than 40 of the industry's leading prop firms. This gives us a clear sense of what a truly great firm looks like and what should raise concerns. So the big question, should you choose 5ers as your prop firm? Let's break down the pros and cons. Here are the key advantages we found. First, the 5ers has a long-term track record of stability and reliable payouts. They also hold a high Trustpilot score of 4.8 out of 5. You can scale your account all the way up to $4 million. There's no consistency rule on any challenge, and 2 of them don't require minimum profitable days. The high stakes challenge even includes a monthly salary option. Spreads are tight, commissions are fair, and Islamic swap-free accounts are available on request. They also offer amazing support for their traders with live rooms, online events, and an active Discord channel. And with the 3-step challenge, you only need a small upfront fee. The rest is paid after you pass. Now, a few things to keep in mind. Leverage is lower on the 3-step challenge. The 3-step challenge also requires a mandatory stop loss on every trade, but it's there to help manage risk, something you should probably be doing anyway. The high stakes challenge comes with a minimum profitable trading day requirement. Another limitation is the selection of instruments. The 5ers offers only about 40 markets. And finally, the Hypergrowth Challenge has a relatively weak initial funding per dollar figure compared to the industry benchmark. But it does have the fastest scaling in the industry. With 7 steps, you can scale up to $4 million. So who is the 5ers best suited for? Traders who want reliable payouts from a firm with a strong reputation. Those who prioritize trust, transparency, and reputable brand. News traders looking to trade sharp market moves. Swing traders who need the ability to hold positions over the weekend. EA users and algo traders working on MetaTrader and cTrader. It's also an excellent choice for day traders who rely on high leverage, low slippage, and tight spreads. The 5ers can work for multi-asset traders too. And it's suitable for copy traders. Just remember that if you run multiple bootcamp accounts, each one needs to use a different strategy. All in all, we rated the 5ers 4.7 out of 5. It's a steady, reliable option for a wide range of traders. If it does sound like a good fit for you, make sure to check out the link in the description. It will take you straight to their latest offer. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more trading reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.